Hello guys, so let's get to our trading today. Today I'm trading company stocks and all of the most suitable assets you can see in front of your eyes, of course. The HSPR percentage and the most stable corridor of movement which I analyzed, and after analysis I came to the conclusion that today we'll trade using this bunch of indicators. So it will include weighted moving average with a period of 20. Donjin channel with a period of 20, just remove the moving average from this channel, and instead of it we'll have our weighted moving average. So today we will look for extreme points and also analyze the movement inside the channel indicator, and our moving average will also give us signal. So I will explain everything as we trade. It's not a difficult strategy, and I hope that you won't have any questions, guys. So we'll make a deposit acceleration. I will trade on the 1 minute time frame and service deal of $30. So let's get started and choose the most optimal entry point.
If you want to see real success stories and learn how others are winning with binary options, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group. Links are in the description.
And here I'm going to open the first position on the downside. There's a slight change in the dynamics. Earlier there was an update of the structure global high, and now there's just change. If think about in this way, we have this pullback dynamics touching the upper move average of the channel indicator. Also the move went down and crossed the weighted move average from top to bottom, which is a good enough condition to open a position for 59 seconds. Okay, let's see the result. And the position closed in plus perfectly, quite an easy entry point, and the next trade is also open to the maximum balance amount. Okay, let's continue and pick up the next asset. Okay, the entry point wasn't long coming, and here opened a position on the upside. Specifically, this candlestick shows a very large body downward, so I think this should be a bounce up. Besides, here I'm vibing around the trends and opening a trade on the upside, and we still haven't had a structural global high update. Well, it happened, but the fractal didn't show its update, and it showed an update of the local minimum. And after this update, the price crossed the weighted moving average from bottom to top. So there are more upside options here. Last seconds.
Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel and join my VIP group. It will make your trading journey much smoother and boost your success. Just send me a message saying I want to join the VIP group.
And the position is closing quite comfortably in the plus side. Excellent. I caught the impulses said at the very beginning of the opening. I will wait for the bounce in the dynamics, and actually it happened in the next 59 seconds. We moved up and the position closed in plus. Excellent. So let's continue trading and choose the next entry point. Okay, here we open a position on the upside. We have a good support area here, and it was touched and subsequently broken. But if we think more globally in general, this collectively an area of support, there was an update of the global low, then the price is going up. Open a trade on a potential reversal of the dynamics, because now we are starting to have flat dynamics of the movement, and in general it's possible to open both down and up, but in this case I prefer to open a trade on the upside. So let's see the result, guys. And the deal also closed in plus. perfectly. Further opening is also carried out on the maximum amount of balance. Okay, let's continue and choose the next entry point. I hope here in general also everything was clear. Very simple conditions. So let's choose the next asset.
If you want to see real success stories and learn how others are winning with binary options, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group. Links are in the description.
The entry point didn't take long to arrive again. Let's take a risk here and open in the pullback dynamics. I hope very much this risk will be justified, because it's a very sensitive trade in my opinion. We have a new extreme point forming. So let's highlight. So far it cannot be said that we have had the formation of the global minimum. We have just had a pullback, and in general there was a strong breakdown of the last touch point, and I hope that the pullback dynamics will continue, and I will close the position in the plus. Let's see the result, guys. And the position is closed in plus perfectly. Okay, I got a good opening level, and so far the price is inside a K movement. I managed to close that position in plus perfectly. Okay, let's not do this again. We'll pick up more reliable positions. Let's open one more trades, probably for the maximum balance amount. In general, open a couple more trades. Okay, let's continue. Don't talk, let's continue. Right here, right away, we need to open a position on the downside in the direction of the general trend. Good entry point. The exit will happen here 100% of the time. We have demonstrated a pullback dynamics in the downtrend. So a new extreme point has been formed, and the price has followed the downward trend. So the crossing of the weighted moving average from top to the bottom. So in this case, we open the position on the downside. It's very simple, guys. Let's see. And the position closed in plus perfectly again. Okay, let's probably as a wrap up. Let's open an $82 trade. Let's look at some more entry, yes, some more entry point for the sake of practice and some additional information. Overall, this trade won't affect anything. I've made a good profit and I'm already satisfied, so let's go ahead and pick up the final entry point. And let's try to open a downside position against the trend here. There's a potential for first dynamics in the next 50 seconds to go down. Maybe we should have opened a downside position on the completion of this green candle, because the trend is very strong upward, very strong upward, but there was an update of the structural global high, and the price has crossed the weighted moving average. Then after the formation of the minimum 3 candles close in green color, just at this level, approximately at this level, it was possible to open a deal safely on the upside with 100% closing. Okay, the last seconds before the end of the position, and even this deal, friends, we have closing plus perfectly. Super deposit acceleration to this trade. Brilliant results, brilliant trades, not a single minus trade. Okay, let's look into today's profit and move on to the conclusion. The amount of this profits is $828. The withdrawal operation is successfully executed. This is the trade we have today with the use of such a simple bundle of indicators. As you can see, with the proper analysis of the market and understanding of the work of indicators, trading always goes well with good results, guys. I assure you, even if you aren't trading experts, 100% more than 60% of your open trades will close in the plus, and you anyway will always record a profit. So thank you all for watching. I wish you a good day and see you next time.